discussed till here
Ma'am,
yesterday.
you haven't shared your screen.
How is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have discussed till insertion after a node. I've given you the homework question to go through the algorithm for insertion before a node. So what is the difference in the algorithm for insertion after a node and before a node? Did anybody attempt? What is the difference between the algorithm for insertion after a node and insertion before a node? There's only one single minor difference. Did anybody go through the algorithm? No?
Ma'am, we have to take post PTR and we have to stop at E.
There's no need to take another third variable. You can work with pre-PTR and PTR itself.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, instead of pre PTR, we can write post PTR, then we can stop at E. And then
Where?
set PTR is equal to new node.
No, that's what I told. You need not take another additional. Okay, you're saying instead of pre-PTR, we can write post-PTR. Okay, that's fine. But there's only a minor difference in this algorithm. Did anybody find out? No, nobody has got the time. Okay, fine, we'll work out. Okay, so this is insertion before a node. Okay, we are discussing insertion before a node. That means right now we are trying to insert K before E. That is the scenario that we are discussing. Okay. Now for to insert K before E, what all things you have to do? You have to create a new node. You have to insert K in its data part. So this is your new node, and in its data part you have to insert K. Then what are the steps that you will do? Who is this? Who is this? Pre-PTR. Who is this? PTR.
Post PTR.
Post
PTR.
PTR.
Pre-PTR and PTR is sufficient. You need not take another variable name. Now you tell me the steps. What are the steps for insertion? What are the steps for insertion?
Pre PTR next equals to new node.
Pre-PTR next is equal to new node. And then
New node
next
next
step,
equals to PTR. New node
new
next
node
equals to
next is
PTR.
equal to PTR. That means the steps for insertion are again remain the same. You have the place where you are stopping is different. When you were trying to insert uh, K after N, where did your PTR stop?
At N.
At N. I mean, your traversal stopped
मैम
at
एक
N.
बार वेटिंग रूम चेक करिए ना प्लीज.
Okay. So the only difference is where you are stopping the traversal. Insertion after a node may you stopped here at N. You were searching for N and you stopped here. Here we are trying to insert before a node. That means we are trying to insert before E. That means you will come till here and then stop. We'll see how that is happening. Those who have not understood, pay attention. You will definitely understand this. Just that you have to give your 100% attention. Okay. So this we are not bothered about this section. I told you this section is about memory allocation, which is automatically done by malloc. So we are not discussing this part. We are bothered about this part, which is our algorithm. This is where the insertion is actually happening. So before you insert, I told you what you have to do. You have to create a new node. Simply creating is not sufficient. You have to, after creation, you have to do memory allocation, which is done by malloc. Then after creation, you have to insert K here, right? So you can see here, new node of data is equal to val. What is our val here? Val is k. So when you write new node of data, new node's data part is equal to val, it means you are inserting k here. So your new node is ready with k. Now the remaining step is to do the insertion. For you to do the insertion, you should come and stop like this. You should give a, this person should have a name, this person should also have a name. Then only you will be able to execute these two steps and build the link. For that to happen, you have to traverse and come till here. So we'll see how we'll traverse and come till here. So what are we searching? We are searching for the node E because we want to insert K before E. So we have to search where E is in the linked list. So we are actually traversing, searching for E. So let's understand how we'll traverse searching for E. Okay. How will we traverse? Set PTR is equal to start. Set pre-PTR is equal to PTR. That means PTR is equal to start means start is already pointing here. PTR equal to start means PTR should also point to the same place where start is pointing. So वो हो गया, मतलब ये वाला स्टेप हो गया. PTR is equal to start वाला स्टेप हो गया. अगला स्टेप क्या है? Pre-PTR is equal to PTR. मतलब pre-PTR should also point to the same place where PTR is pointing. Where is PTR pointing? PTR is pointing to this node. That means pre-PTR should also point here. Now we have 3 pointer variables pointing to the same node. Now we have to start our traversal. For traversal, you know that we need a while loop. We need a condition. So what is a condition here? The condition is while PTR of data not equal to num. What is our num here? Num is E. We are searching for E. So as long as PTR's data part is not equal to E, we have to move. We have to go on searching the linked list. So as long as PTR's data part is not E, we have to go on searching. That means we have to move forward every time we don't get E. The moment we get E, we can stop. So that is the meaning of this while loop. While PTR of data not equal to num. As long as we don't get E, we have to move forward. How you will move forward? What are the steps that you should do? Pre-PTR is equal to PTR and PTR is equal to PTR of next. Let me write those steps here. Okay. What are the steps that you're going to do? What is your iteration condition? Everybody, please give your 100% attention. While PTR का data part not equal to num. Num is E. What you have to do? You have to do pre-PTR is equal to PTR and PTR is equal to PTR of next. These are the steps that you have to repeat. Now let's try doing this while loop, executing this while loop. So right now I'm here at the first node. Any operation that you do on the linked list should start from the first node. So right now I'm here. PTR का data part num है क्या?
No.
Is PTR's data part num? No. What is num? Num is E.
E.
And यहाँ पे क्या है? Data part में क्या है? M है. So we know that. So we know that PTR is not equal to num है तो while loop में जो statement है वो हमें execute करना है. So we have to execute this. What we have to do? Pre-PTR is equal to PTR. Pre-PTR is already at PTR only. Pre-PTR is already pointing to the same place where PTR is pointing. That means this is already done. What is the next thing that we have to do? PTR is equal to PTR of next. Where is this is PTR's next field? Where is it pointing? This person. This person is PTR's next. See, whomever PTR is pointing, whomever PTR's next field is pointing, that is PTR's next. So PTR is equal to PTR of next means what? PTR should move from here and come here. Right? So we have executed once. Now this is a while loop. So again we have to repeat it. अभी देखो PTR is PTR's data part not equal to num? Is PTR's data part not equal to num? Yes. This is O and this is E. They are not equal. That means again this while loop condition is true. So what we have to do? We have to execute these steps. These two steps. What we have to do? Pre-PTR is equal to PTR. That means pre-PTR will now move to where PTR is pointing. So pre-PTR इधर आ जाएगा. तो ये वाला स्टेप हो गया. अगला स्टेप क्या है? PTR is equal to PTR of next. That means PTR should move from here to here. Okay? तो यहाँ पे आ गया PTR. ठीक है. अभी तो ये दोनों स्टेप हो गया. अगेन इट्स अ व्हाइल लूप, सो वी शुड अगेन चेक. अभी PTR का डेटा पार्ट नम है क्या? नहीं, यहाँ पे n है और num अपना e है. So again, this is not same. That means this condition is becoming true. That means whatever is there in the while loop, we have to execute. So again, pre-PTR is equal to PTR. मतलब फिर से pre-PTR यहाँ से यहाँ आ जाएगा. Pre-PTR भी इधर आ गया. Okay? अब अगला step. PTR is equal to PTR of next. That means PTR moves from here to here. Right? Now again, we have to check the condition. PTR का data part, is PTR's data part not equal to num? Is PTR's data part not equal to num? बोलो.
Ma'am, it is
Are you all
equal.
there? It is equal to num because this is
Yes,
E,
ma'am.
this is also E. We are searching for E, so it's equal to num. That means this while loop will now not execute once again. It will not execute one more time. That means we have stopped here. So what is our current status? Our current status is like this: M O N E Y. ये अपना null है. अभी हमारा स्टेटस क्या है? प्री PTR एन पे है और PTR यहाँ पे है, E पे है. एंड दिस पर्सन इज ऑलरेडी क्रिएटेड विद K इनसाइड. ये अपना न्यू नोड है. तो अभी हमें क्या करना है? यहाँ से यहाँ एक लिंक क्रिएट करना है और यहाँ से यहाँ एक लिंक. दैट मीन्स both the links we have to create. How will we create both the links? By using these two steps. What are our steps? Pre-PTR of next is equal to new node. And how will you create this link? So this link is created. New node of next is equal to PTR. So new node of next, new node ka next is equal to PTR. So this link and this link is created. That means your node has now been inserted into the linked list. So what have we done? We have inserted K before E. Did everybody understand the algorithm? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
yes. So what is the difference
Ma'am,
between the algorithm for before a node and after a node? What is the difference? There's only one difference. यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे iteration का condition क्या है? After a node में iteration का condition है, the looping condition is pre-PTR of data not equal to num. As long as pre-PTR of data is not equal to num, you are moving forward, searching. ये after a node में. Before a node में क्या है? Your looping condition is PTR of data not equal to num. As long as PTR of data not equal to num, you are going on searching. So what is the difference in the algorithm? In after a node, we are using pre-PTR of data. We are searching with pre-PTR of data not equal to num. And in before a node, we are searching with PTR of data not equal to num. So the difference in these two algorithms is only this condition. Other than that, the rest of the algorithm is the same. Is it clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. अरे पता ही नहीं चल रहा. I am not able to understand whether you're getting it or you're not getting it. B वाले I told you they shout out. हाँ, तो at least 4-5 लोग तो है जो regularly answer बोलते हैं. तो I get the feedback that you are able to follow. एक बार unmute करके response देने में क्या problem है आप लोगों को? Now or otherwise I'll start calling up. हाँ, I'll assign one person on one day. That means उस दिन के लेक्चर में आप ही रेस्पॉन्ड करोगे. I'll allot 2-3 people every day. हाँ, फिर आपको रेस्पॉन्ड करना ही पड़ेगा. If you don't respond on your own, I'll allot 3 people every day who will respond. Now, so that's about insertion. Insertion. We have seen 4 cases of insertion. Insertion at beginning, inserting a node at the beginning. inserting a node at the end, inserting after a particular node, and inserting before a node. Okay, 4 cases in insertion. Similarly, we have to see all these cases for deletion also. How do you delete a node at the beginning? How do you delete a node at the end? How do you delete before a node? How do you delete after a node? All these cases will be there for deletion also, right? Now let's start with deletion at beginning. Okay, इंसर्शन के लिए हमने क्या लिया था, वुमन लिया था, है ना? तो हम अभी वुमन को बैक टू ओमन बनाएंगे. So right now we are discussing insert deletion at beginning. Okay, that means I want to delete W. I want to convert woman back to omen. Okay, omen. That is my objective. That means it is insertion at deletion at beginning. हाँ, अभी आप लोग बताओ. If I want to delete the first node in my linked list, deletion at beginning means I want to delete the first node. If I want to delete the first node, what are all the changes that will take place? What are the changes that will take place? Bolo. Should I call out? What are the changes that will take place?
Ma'am, we will shift the head pointing towards the next node.
Start will move to the second. Yes.
Start will come
Node.
where? At the second node.
Increment.
Very good. तो start आएगा इधर पे because we are deleting this node. So दो चीज आपको करना है. एक इसको डिलीट करना है और स्टार्ट को यहाँ पे लाना है बिकॉज एक बार ये गया मतलब ये अपना स्टार्ट बन जाएगा, राइट? ओनली 2 स्टेप्स. तो देयर इज नो नीड फॉर डूइंग एनी ट्रैवर्सल क्योंकि फर्स्ट नोड तो आप एक्सेस कर ही सकते हो, तो आपको ट्रैवर्सल करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. जस्ट आपको इसको डिलीट करना है और स्टार्ट को यहाँ पे लाना है, राइट? सो नाउ लेट्स सी द एल्गोरिथम. स्टार्ट इज नल अंडर फ्लो मतलब क्या? अगर आपके लिंक लिस्ट में नोड ही नहीं है, स्टार्ट नल मतलब क्या है? स्टार्ट इज नॉट पॉइंटिंग एनीवेयर. स्टार्ट इज नॉट पॉइंटिंग एनीवेयर मींस आपके लिंक लिस्ट में नोड नहीं है, आपने सबको डिलीट कर दिया ऑलरेडी. In that case, you will print underflow. If start is already null, you cannot delete, right? You will display underflow. Otherwise, how will you delete? क्या करें देखो. Set ptr is equal to start. इसको हमने ptr is also pointing to start. So set ptr is equal to start means ptr is also pointing here. Now what we are doing? Start is equal to starts next. स्टार्ट्स नेक्स्ट कौन है? ये स्टार्ट का नेक्स्ट फील्ड है, वो कहाँ पे पॉइंट कर रहा है? इस पे. तो स्टार्ट इज इक्वल टू स्टार्ट्स नेक्स्ट मींस व्हाट? स्टार्ट विल कम फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर. तो अपना स्टार्ट इधर आ गया. अभी हमें बस इसको डिलीट करना है, तो इसको डिलीट करने के लिए विच फंक्शन वील यूज? वील यूज द फ्री फंक्शन. सो वील जस्ट राइट फ्री ptr. ओके, डोंट राइट फ्री स्टार्ट. स्टार्ट यहाँ पे आ गया है, तो अभी आप फ्री स्टार्ट लिखोगे तो ये डिलीट हो जाएगा. दैट इज नॉट व्हाट वी वांट टू डिलीट. वी वांट टू डिलीट दिस पर्सन. उसके लिए ही हमने इसको ptr बनाया. तो नाउ व्हेन यू राइट फ्री ptr क्या हो जाएगा? दिस नोड विल गेट डिलीटेड. और स्टार्ट तो हमने ऑलरेडी उसको इधर लाया है. सो स्टार्ट इज हियर and using free function we deleted this. This is how you delete a node at the beginning. Is that clear everyone? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
Yes. No.
No. No, don't think what others will think if I ask, is my doubt a stupid question or a silly question? What others will think? If you sit thinking what others will think, your doubts will remain as such. हाँ? तो ऐसा कुछ सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है. Nobody is that smart. Okay? Any knowledge, छोटी भी बात है ना, it's a you should always be humble. कुछ नहीं पता है तो वो to disclose that you need not be ashamed because it's a learning process. Lifelong we are learning. तो अभी कुछ पता नहीं हो तो बाद में हम सीख ही लेंगे ना. So there's no need to be ashamed to ask your doubts in front of everyone. Let them think whatever they want to. Huh? You know what you are, right? Now, डिलीशन एट एंड। तो अभी हम इसको जॉनी को वापस जॉन बनाएंगे। Johnny is there. Johnny is our original linked list. So we want to convert Johnny back to John. मतलब deletion at end करना है. So this is deletion at end. That means you want to delete the last node in your linked list. Okay? हाँ. Now you tell me what is the logic? What is the logic that you are going to use? How do you delete the last node? बोलो. बोलो. क्या करना है?
First, we will have to traverse in the linked list up
First
to
we
the
have to traverse. Traverse करके कहाँ आके रुकना है?
एन
यहाँ
तक
आके रुकना है.
end
यहाँ आके
तक.
रुकना है. तो आपको यहाँ पे और क्या करना है? अगर आप इसको डिलीट कर रहे हो तो और क्या करना है? When you're deleting this, there
मैम
is
एन
something else which
का
you have to do.
पीटीआर
What
नल
is?
सेट करेंगे।
हाँ, इसका नेक्स्ट फील्ड को हमें नल बनाना है। मतलब दो चीजें करना है। इस ये तो अपना पीटीआर बन जाएगा। When you traverse and come here, this will become PTR. Then using re-PTR, you're going to obviously delete this node. उसके पहले इसको मतलब along with that you have to make this a null, right? Two things you have to do. So let's see how we are going to do that. मतलब इसको भी हमें एक नाम देना है, right? That means we have to use pre-PTR. pre-PTR का नेक्स्ट को नल बनाना है। इसको भी एक नाम चाहिए, इसको भी एक नाम चाहिए। इसको हम डिलीट कर रहे हैं और इसके नेक्स्ट फील्ड को नल बना रहे हैं। That means we'll use both the variables pre-PTR and PTR, right? Let's see how we are going to do that. ये तो सेम रहेगा। अगर लिंक लिस्ट में नोड्स नहीं है, if start is already at null, then you cannot delete. So in that case, you'll print underflow. Otherwise, we have to traverse क्योंकि we cannot directly go and access the last node. It's just like the lift in your building. To go to the 10th floor, you have to go all the way from 0 to 10th floor. So that means you have to traverse, right? So traverse अगर करना है, so that means we have to set PTR at start, right? तो हम करेंगे PTR is equal to start. That means PTR is now at start. Traverse करना है मतलब you need an iteration condition. You need a condition, looping condition. So what is our looping condition? While PTR of next not equal to null. PTR का next कहाँ पे यहीं पे है null अपना. So as long as PTR's next is not equal to null, you have to go on jumping till you reach this node, right? So our condition is yes, while PTR next not equal to null. तो अपना condition क्या है? While PTR of next not equal to null, क्या करना है हमें? Pre-PTR is equal to PTR and PTR is equal to PTR of next. So two things that you have to do. Pre-PTR is equal to PTR and PTR is equal to PTR of next. You have to repeatedly execute this. Now let's try doing this, right? हाँ, तो PTR का next part null है क्या? We are at the first node. PTR का next part null है क्या?
No,
है
ma'am.
क्या?
No, ma'am.
No, because it is pointing to someone. That means it is not null. मतलब हमें ये दो स्टेप करना है. क्या करना है? Pre-PTR is equal to PTR. Pre-PTR is equal to PTR. आ गया pre-PTR उधर. Then what we have to do? PTR is equal to PTR of next. मतलब PTR का next कौन है? PTR ये है. PTR का next कौन है? ये. तो PTR is equal to PTR of next मतलब PTR इधर से इधर आ जाएगा. आ गया. ये while loop है, फिर से चलेगा. PTR का next part null है क्या? है क्या null?
नो
नहीं, it's not
No.
pointing to it's pointing to someone else. That means again you have to execute. इस बार क्या करना है? Pre-PTR is equal to PTR मतलब pre-PTR फिर से इधर आ जाएगा. और जब pre-PTR इधर आ रहा है, PTR तो अगले नोड पे चला जाएगा. तो PTR यहाँ पे आ गया. मतलब दोनों स्टेप एग्जीक्यूट किया. फिर से while loop है, फिर से कंडीशन चेक करना है. PTR का नेक्स्ट null है क्या? ये PTR है. इसका नेक्स्ट null है क्या? नहीं है. मतलब फिर से ये दो स्टेप होगा. मतलब pre-PTR इधर आएगा और PTR इधर आ जाएगा. फिर से कंडीशन चेक करना है, पीटीआर का नेक्स्ट नल है क्या? अभी पीटीआर ये है, पीटीआर का नेक्स्ट नल है क्या? नहीं है। तो क्या करना है, प्री पीटीआर इधर आ जाएगा और पीटीआर यहाँ से इधर आ जाएगा। अब फिर से कंडीशन चेक करते हैं, पीटीआर का नेक्स्ट नल है क्या?
Yes.
है। इस बार ये null है, that means we cannot do one more iteration, we have to stop here, this while loop will not execute once again because right now ptr's next is null. Now what we have to do, now what we have
PTR
to do,
is equal to next pre-PTR next is equal to null.
pre ptr next is equal to null and then free
PTR.
ptr will do the deletion. So pre ptr next is equal to null and free ptr will do the deletion. कुछ ज्यादा कुछ नहीं कर रहे हम लोग, ट्रैवर्स करके इधर आ रहे हैं और इधर आने के बाद इसका ये प्री पीटीआर के नेक्स्ट फील्ड को नल बना रहे हैं और इसको फ्री फंक्शन यूज करके डिलीट कर रहे हैं. दैट्स इट, दैट इज डिलीशन एट एंड. So always when you're doing any operation at the end, you obviously you have to traverse and come, right? So that is deletion at end. Is that clear to everybody? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now we'll delete after a node. Okay. Delete after a node. मतलब अपना monkey को ही लेते हैं. Okay. Monkey. Start यहाँ पे है. So this time it is delete after a node. ठीक है. मतलब we want to delete k. monkey को money बनाना है. So we want to delete k after k is after n, right? तो n के बाद जो node आ रहा है उसको delete करना है. That means we have to go searching for n. Then only we'll be able to delete k, right? तो कैसे करेंगे? बोलो क्या करना है?
First we will traverse with
First
PTR.
we'll traverse searching for n. मतलब यहाँ तो ये कौन है अपना? ये कौन है?
Pre-PTR.
ये ptr और ये अपना
PTR.
ptr. And then what is the change that we have to make? इसको अगर हम डिलीट कर रहे हैं तो चेंज क्या होगा?
एन और ई में कनेक्शन बनाना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, ये वाला कनेक्शन कैसे बनाओगे आप? कनेक्शन जब ये डिलीट हो रहा है कनेक्शन ऐसे आएगा. कैसे लिखेंगे? वो स्टेप क्या है? प्री पीटीआर ऑफ नेक्स्ट इज इक्वल टू, बोलो वेयर
PTR of next.
PTR of next.
दैट्स इट. एक ही लाइन है. इसको तो हम फ्री पीटीआर यूज करके डिलीट कर सकते हैं. बेटर टू राइट ptr because दूसरे functions में भी ptr ही use हो रहा है. तो what you can do is in deletion you can set it as another variable. You can give it another variable named temp also and then you can write it as free temp. Instead of writing free ptr you can use free temp. इसको दूसरा एक नाम दे देते हैं and then we can write it as free temp also. But connection is only this one line. Free ptr of next is equal to ptr of next. बट वो करने के लिए ट्रैवर्स करके आपको यहाँ तक आना है. नाउ लेट्स सी द एल्गोरिथम. ओके, फॉर डिलीशन आफ्टर अ नोड. इंसर्शन जस्ट एज द सेम एज द इंसर्शन एल्गोरिथम. ट्रैवर्सल का कंडीशन क्या रहेगा? आफ्टर अ नोड. मैंने बोला आफ्टर अ नोड में हमेशा ट्रैवर्सल का कंडीशन क्या होगा? प्री पीटीआर ऑफ डेटा नॉट इक्वल टू null. As long as pre PTR's data is not equal to null, you have to go on traversing. Now let's do that and see, okay? Let me just erase this. ठीक है ना, ट्रैवर्स करना है मतलब पीटीआर तो यहाँ आएगा ही, राइट। सो यू कैन सी दैट स्टेप पीटीआर इज इक्वल टू स्टार। फिर क्या करना है, प्री पीटीआर को भी वहीं पे पॉइंट करना है। प्री पीटीआर इज इक्वल टू पीटीआर मींस प्री पीटीआर विल आल्सो कम हियर। सो योर फर्स्ट स्टेप इज पीटीआर इज इक्वल टू स्टार एंड सेकंड स्टेप इज प्री पीटीआर इज इक्वल टू पीटीआर। उसके बाद क्या आएगा, ट्रैवर्स करना है मतलब अपना व्हाइल लूप आएगा। व्हाइल लूप में कंडीशन क्या है, प्री पीटीआर
Repeater of next is not equal. Data is not equal to num.
नाउ। ओके, क्या करना है अंदर, प्री पीटीआर इज इक्वल टू पीटीआर और पीटीआर इज इक्वल टू पीटीआर ऑफ नेक्स्ट, ये करना करते हैं हम लोग, ठीक है। प्री पीटीआर का डेटा नम नम क्या है अपना, नम एन है अपना, नम
N.
इज एन। Is pre-PTR's data not equal to num? Yes, it's not equal to num. See, this is n, this
Yes.
is n. मतलब not equal to num. मतलब एक करना है हमें, इसके दो steps we have. So pre-PTR is equal to PTR. Pre-PTR is already pointing to where PTR is pointing. That means this is already done. Now we have to do PTR is equal to PTR of next. मतलब PTR यहाँ से आ जाएगा यहाँ पे। फिर से करना है pre-PTR का data not equal to num. No, this is m, this is n. So again we have to execute these two steps. Pre-PTR is equal to PTR, मतलब pre-PTR यहाँ आ जाएगा और PTR जाएगा आगे। PTR is equal to PTR of next means PTR आएगा आगे आएगा। फिर से कंडीशन चेक करते हैं, pre-PTR का डेटा, pre-PTR का डेटा O है और num अपना n है। That means they are not equal. That means again we have to execute these two steps. मतलब फिर से pre-PTR आ जाएगा इधर और PTR जाएगा आगे, right? Now while loop है, again we have to check the condition. Pre-PTR का data not equal to num. Is it not equal to num? Is pre-PTR's data not equal to num? बोलो।
No, ma'am.
No, because both are same. देखो ये भी n है जिसे हम ढूंढ रहे हैं, वो भी n है। That means they are the same. That means this while loop will not execute one more time. That means हमारा traversal stop हो गया। Now we have stopped here, correct here. Now what we have to do? Our objective is to delete. इसको डिलीट करना है। तो मैंने जैसे बोला हम उस इसको एक दूसरा वेरिएबल नेम दे देते हैं, temp. We'll give it another name, temp. So temp is equal to ptr means temp वहीं पे आएगा जहाँ ptr पॉइंट कर रहा है। So temp यहाँ पे आ गया। And then how do we build this connection? This connection can be built. So you have one step here, temp is equal to ptr. And then what is the connection? How do we build the connection?
Pre-PTR of next equal to
PTR of next is equal to PTR
PTR
of
of next.
PTR next.
and then free temp.
Free temp.
Okay? Why? Because PTR we are using at multiple places. पूरे program में बहुत जगह PTR use कर रहे हैं. And then if you free PTR, maybe if you don't write the code properly, whole thing will go wrong. So better to avoid when you're deleting, you can just rename it and delete. Right? This is the code for deleting after a node. Now you tell me what will be the difference in deletion before a node? What will be the difference in the algorithm for deletion before a node?
PTR
Now
of
we will set PTR of data not
num.
equals to num.
Yes, instead of pre-PTR of data not equal to num, in the algorithm for deletion before a node, the condition would
PTR.
be PTR of data not equal to num. तो आपका बस सर्चिंग का कंडीशन चेंज हो रहा है, बाकी सब कुछ सेम रहेगा। और डिलीशन बिफोर अ नोड, दैट मींस यही एग्जांपल लेते हैं। डिलीशन बिफोर अ नोड मतलब आपको डिलीट करना है k बिफोर e, k बिफोर e। Same algorithm except that this condition is going to be different. Instead of pre-PTR of data not equal to num, you will be writing PTR of data not equal to num. That's same thing. Okay. So these are the four algorithms for deletion. Deletion at beginning, deletion at end, and then deletion after and before. Okay. So we have discussed eight algorithm, 8 plus 3, 11 algorithms till now. कहाँ से शुरू किया था? We started from traversal, counting, searching, insertion at beginning, insertion at end, insertion after, insertion before, deletion at beginning, deletion at end, deletion after, and deletion before. Okay. So these are the algorithms which we have discussed. You can do other operations also. You can write the algorithms on your own if you want to do other operations like sorting or something else. Now let's proceed to the implementation. That means the C program for implementing a singly linked list and all the operations that we saw till now, all the operations on a singly linked list. That means singly linked list and its operations. Okay. So we are going to see the C program. Pay attention. All this is there for your unit test. It's not going to be an MCQ base. So if in case this question is asked, maybe I'll not ask all the functions, but maybe I can ask 1 or 2 functions, right? Or 3 or 4 functions for 10 marks. Okay. So as usual, we'll begin with our header files, stdio, stdlib, conio, malloc.h. Okay. We need to do memory allocation and deallocation, so we are using malloc.h also. Then I told you, whenever we write programs for single linked list or doubly linked list, we'll always begin with the node declaration. So this is a node declaration. That means what are the fields in your node? What are the fields? You have one data field and one next field, one pointer field and one data field. So you can see here, it's int data. That means we are going to implement a linked list of integers. Whatever data we are going to store here is going to be an integer. That is int data. And what is this? This is our next field, which is our pointer field. This is our pointer field. So this is called as the node declaration, right? We have seen this before in last lecture. So we'll always begin with our node declaration. So your node has a data part and a pointer part, right? Now, what is this line? What does this line mean? Struct node star is equal to null. इसका मतलब क्या है? बोलो. Come on, tell. What is the meaning of that statement? Struct node star is equal to null. मतलब क्या है? बोलो. Should I call out?
It is not pointing to anything in the linked list.
State it in another way. Start is equal to null मतलब क्या है?
Empty list.
Empty linked list. Top is equal to -1 means your stack is empty. Print rare -1 means your queue is empty. Start null मतलब क्या है? Your linked list is empty.
Linked
So
list
start
is
is not
empty.
pointing anywhere. Start is null मतलब start कहीं point ही नहीं कर रहा है. Start कहीं point नहीं कर रहा है मतलब आपका your linked list does not exist or your linked list is empty. You are yet to create your linked list, right? So that is what is meant by struct node star start is equal to null. Then all these are your function declarations. That means the functions which you are going to use in your program. This is the name of your function. Create, display, insert beginning, insert at end, insert before, after, deletion at various positions, sort the linked list. All these are your function names. What is this? This is your return type, right? How do you write a function? Function कैसे लिखते हो आप लोग? Void, push. यहाँ पे पैरामीटर आता है, करेक्ट? ये आपका रिटर्न टाइप है, ये आपका फंक्शन का नाम है और ये आपका जो भी आप यहाँ पास कर रहे हो, से int a, that is your parameter, right? Int is your parameter. वैसे ही create is your function name, display is your function name. What is this? Struct node star, it's your return type. What is the struct node star? It is your parameter. That means your function, all of these functions are taking something as a parameter and it is also returning something. Now what would be that something? Can you guess what that something would be? क्या ले रहा है और क्या दे रहा है? Make a guess.
Value.
वैल्यू नहीं है, वैल्यू तो चाहिए ही, इंसर्ट कर रहे हैं तो वैल्यू चाहिए ही, बट डेटा टाइप देखो, स्ट्रक्ट नोड स्टार है, वैल्यू है तो हम इंट कुछ लिखेंगे ना यहाँ पे, अगर वैल्यू है तो हमारे इंटीजर वैल्यू होगा तो हम इंट लिखेंगे यहाँ पे स्ट्रक्ट नोड स्टार क्यों लिखा है? और रिटर्न जो भी रिटर्न कर रहा है वो उसका भी टाइप स्ट्रक्ट नोड स्टार है, मतलब वो क्या चीज है जो नोड योर फंक्शन इज टेकिंग।
PTR.
एनी ऑफ
PTR.
नो, अभी कोई पीटीआर है ही नहीं, आपने लिंक लिस्ट बनाया ही नहीं है, तो पीटीआर कहाँ से आएगा? Any operation on your linked list begins on your first node, from your first node. Beginning deletion insertion at beginning करना है तो भी आपको first node कौन है वो पता होना चाहिए, deletion at end करना है या insertion at end करना है, आपको क्या पता होना चाहिए first node कौन है, क्योंकि आपका जो भी ऑपरेशन है वो first node से शुरू होता है। तो first node का एड्रेस आपको कहाँ से मिलेगा? First node का एड्रेस who is going to provide you?
Start.
Start. So what is this? So this is nothing but start. Every function is taking start as a parameter and it is also returning start. Now you tell me why it is returning start. Why it is returning start?
So, ma'am, we can use it in the next
हाँ, we can
function.
use it, but वो return करने की जरूरत क्या है? जो start शुरुआत में था वही नोड हमेशा start रहने वाला है क्या?
No, ma'am, if we delete, then delete from
हाँ,
beginning, then start can change.
if we delete the node at the beginning or if we insert a new node at the beginning, आपका start
Yes,
change
ma'am.
होगा। आपका start change हो रहा है मतलब that information should be disseminated to your whole program, right?
Yes,
कि
ma'am.
हमेशा आपका ऑपरेशन फर्स्ट नोड से शुरू होता है और अगर फर्स्ट नोड चेंज हुआ है तो वो पता होना चाहिए, राइट? So what is it? How we have written every function? We have written every function in such a way that it is taking start as a parameter and it is also returning start. मतलब start अगर अपडेट हुआ है या अगर हुआ है या नहीं हुआ है, दोनों केस में हम रिटर्न कर रहे हैं फंक्शन। We have written all the functions in this program like that, in such a way that it is taking a start as a parameter and it is also returning start. I'll just show you one of the functions so that you get understand. एग्जाम्पल, ये अपना डिस्प्ले का फंक्शन है। अब देखो आपका इसका पैरामीटर क्या है। It is taking start as a parameter, struct node start as a parameter, and at the end of the function, it is also returning start, and that is why the return type here is start, struct node start. Return type भी struct node star है, parameter भी struct node star है. That is why for all these functions which you have declared, you have the parameter as struct node star and return type as struct node star. Such questions are asked in the Viva for your practical exam, and that time everybody will be like, "Mom, आप कुछ भी random बड़बड़ करते हो." So if somebody asks you why you have written it like this, then you should be able to say that every function is taking start as a parameter and every function is also returning start, because any operation that we are going to do on a linked list that we do on a linked list will begin from the first node. Maybe we'll have to traverse, maybe we'll not have to traverse, but जो भी है start first at node तो पता होना चाहिए. It may get updated, it may not get updated, but we are returning the latest position of start. Okay, so these are all the functions that we are going to use in the program. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now let's proceed to the main function. Okay, ये सब लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, बस int main या void main लिखो. Main function में हम क्या कर रहे हैं? User को menu देना है. We have to provide we are writing a menu driven program. That means we need to provide the menu to the user. So what is a menu? We are doing a lot of operations. So one is for create, two is for display, three is for add a node at the beginning, मतलब insertion at beginning. This is insertion at end. This is insertion before a node, insertion after a node, delete a node, beginning, end, delete a particular node, delete a node after, before, entire list, sort the list, whatever you want to implement, you can give that option to the user. Okay, and then the user will enter his choice. So you can see here, enter your option, scanf %d and ampersand option. So user will enter his choice, and depending upon what choice user is entering, remaining operations get done, right? So this is nothing but the menu which you are providing to the user. जो भी operations आपको देना है, you can write it over here. You can provide the menu to the user. और अगर मेनू प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं इसका मतलब है स्विच केस तो होगा ही। तो ये आपका स्विच केस है। स्विच केस में क्या हो रहा है देखो, दीज आर ऑल द फंक्शन कॉल्स। फंक्शन डिक्लेरेशन लिखा है मतलब फंक्शन कॉल भी आएगा ही। फंक्शन कॉल कहाँ पे है? ऑल दीज आर योर कॉल, यू आर कॉलिंग दैट फंक्शन। In each case, you're calling a different function. And you can see your function is taking start as a parameter and it is also returning something. It is also returning start.
Start.
This is your function call. Whatever functions you have written in your menu, corresponding function calls will come in these cases. Okay? Function का concept जब आप use कर रहे हो program में, so you have to keep in mind that you should have your function declaration, function call and then function definition. Function definition कहाँ पे है? ये जो है फंक्शन का बॉडी, ये सब आपका फंक्शन डेफिनेशन है या बॉडी ऑफ द फंक्शन। फंक्शन डिक्लेरेशन यहाँ पे दिया है आपने शुरुआत में। फंक्शन कॉल स्विच केस के अंदर है और मेन फंक्शन के बाद यू हैव रिटन ऑल द फंक्शन डेफिनेशंस, राइट? So these are all the functions calls. You are calling display, you are calling insertion at beginning and all the functions, right? And here you can see your main function ends here. तो मेन फंक्शन में आप क्या कर रहे हो? You're just providing the menu to the user and then in the switch case you are making the call. You're making the call function call to that particular function. So case 1 is what? Case 1 is create a linked list. That means you're calling the function for creating the linked list over here. Your function is taking start as a parameter and it is also returning start. These are all your function calls. Is it clear till here? यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आया? Okay. Now let's see the function for creation. Okay, the function for creating a linked list. Shall I proceed? Or we have
Yes,
some
ma'am.
8 minutes left. Okay. क्रिएट करना है। अभी क्रिएट करना मतलब क्या? अगर कुछ भी ऑपरेशन आपको करना है तो पहले एक लिंक लिस्ट होना चाहिए ना। सी इफ आई से इंसर्ट अ नोड एट द बिगिनिंग, किसके बिगिनिंग में इंसर्ट करोगे आप? एक लिंक लिस्ट तो होना चाहिए पहले जिसके बिगिनिंग में आप इंसर्ट करोगे या जिसके एंड में आप इंसर्ट करोगे। सो व्हाट इज दिस क्रिएट फंक्शन डूइंग? क्रिएट फंक्शन विल क्रिएट योर लिंक लिस्ट। मतलब आपने अगर 1 2 3 एंटर किया तो आपका ऐसा एक लिंक लिस्ट बनेगा 1 2 3। You will create a link. Your function will create a linked list like this. Okay. Start यहाँ पे point करेगा. So if you enter ABC, a linked list with ABC will get created. That is what create function is doing. Okay. So create function is taking start as a parameter and it is also returning start. देखो last statement क्या है? Last statement is a return statement. Return start. So this is your return type. This is the name of the function and this is the parameter which your function is taking. What this function should do? 1 2 3 दिया तो एक साथ 1 2 3 क्रिएट नहीं होगा। पहले आप 1 एंटर करोगे तो पहले फर्स्ट नोड बनेगा, उसके बाद 2 मतलब फर्स्ट नोड बनेगा। मतलब अगर समझो आपने 1 एंटर किया तो सिर्फ ये बनेगा। पहले आपका लिंक लिस्ट ऐसा होगा with only one node in the linked list. Then next time when you are entering 2, what will happen? Another node will get created, 2 will go here and then you have to build this connection. You have to build this connection and then you have to make this an. Third time when you are entering 3, what should happen? ये तो ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे होगा, सॉरी ये ऐसा है ऑलरेडी। आपने अभी नया एक नोड इंसर्ट किया 3 तो क्या होना चाहिए? 2 से 3 एक कनेक्शन जाएगा और 3 के इधर नल आएगा। Now all these 3 nodes are a part of the linked list. तो ये स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस है। 1 2 3 आप एक साथ एंटर नहीं कर सकते हो। You will create every node one by one and add them to your linked list. Okay, so that's the logic. Okay, let's see how this logic works. तो logic ये है कि फंक्शन में हम क्या लॉजिक यूज कर रहे हैं? As long as you enter a number, a new node will get created. Those are feeling sleepy, dreamy, go wash your face and come. Very, very important. I'm not going to repeat it again. As long as you enter a number, anything like 1, 2, 3, nodes will get created with that corresponding data values. Okay. The moment you enter a -1, your creation process stops. मतलब आपने 1 2 3 किया और उसके बाद माइनस, नेक्स्ट टाइम यू एंटरिंग -1, दैट मीन्स आपको सिर्फ 1 2 3 ही चाहिए आपके लिंक्ड लिस्ट में. So the termination condition that you are using is a -1. आपको चाहिए से 10 20 30, तो आप क्या करोगे 10 20 30 और फोर्थ टाइम यू विल एंटर अ -1. मतलब आपको सिर्फ 10 20 30 ही चाहिए. अगर आपको से 14 15 16 17 चाहिए लिंक लिस्ट में, तो आप क्या करोगे 14 15 16 17 and then the fifth time you will enter -1. That means you need to, whenever you enter -1, your creation process stops. That's the logic which we are using in this creation function. You are free to use a different logic for creation, but आपका creation होना चाहिए. Your function, whatever logic you are using, your creation process should happen. That's it. Okay?
So, ma'am,
बस
when we want to end the linked list, we have to type -1.
हाँ, it's not compulsory that you have to enter -1. ये प्रोग्राम में अभी के लिए हमने वो कंडीशन सेट किया है.
Okay, ma'am.
समझो आपको -1 नहीं चाहिए, आपको कुछ 100 when
So
you
we
say
have
enter
to
the,
enter like something what we define.
हाँ, you have to define something as the termination condition. वो 1 हो सकता है, 100 हो सकता है, या कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Okay, ma'am, got it.
वो आपकी मर्जी. ओके, राइट नाउ वी हैव यूज्ड -1 as the stopping condition. तो अभी देखते हैं. struct node star new node and struct node star ptr. मतलब ये तो वेरिएबल्स हमें प्रोग्राम में चाहिए, तो हमने डिक्लेयर किया उनको. struct node star new node and star ptr. Okay, both are pointer variables which we are going to use in the program. num is the number which you want in your data part. मतलब ये 1 2 3 etc will be your num. हाँ, फिर आप अपना टर्मिनेशन कंडीशन स्पेसिफाई कर रहे हैं. मतलब आपको अगर एंड करना है क्रिएशन प्रोसेस, तो यू हैव टू एंटर अ -1. Otherwise, you can enter your data. मतलब as long as you are entering your data, nodes will get created. The moment you enter a -1, your creation process will stop. So what is this? You are reading num. Num is the value which you are entering, which you want in your node. Okay. So suppose मैंने 1 enter किया. Okay, I entered 1 from the keyboard. What should happen if I enter a 1? A new node should get created. Memory allocate होना चाहिए इसको. फिर मुझे यहाँ पे 1 डालना है. इतना काफी नहीं है. Okay, this is just a node with a value 1. It is not part of any linked list. For it to be part of a linked list, who should point here? Who should point here?
Start.
Start should point here. Only when start points here, it will become a part of the linked list. And then यहाँ पे तो null आएगा ही, क्योंकि आपके अभी के लिए आपके लिंक लिस्ट में एक ही नोड है, आपने एक ही नोड इंसर्ट किया है. तो if you enter 1, these are the things that should happen. One is एक नया नोड क्रिएट होगा, उसको मेमोरी एलोकेट होगा, उसके डेटा पार्ट में 1 जाएगा, उसके नेक्स्ट फील्ड में नल जाएगा, and then you have to make start point here. Then only your new node will become a part of the linked list. तो इतनी चीजें होना चाहिए. Now let's see how that logic is implemented here. Pay attention here, everybody. Okay. Now I have entered 1 from the keyboard. Okay. So it's checking this condition. Is num equal to -1? -1 है तो creation नहीं होगा. But right now my num is not -1. मतलब creation होना चाहिए. As long as the user is entering some other number apart from -1, creation should happen, right? So right now I have entered 1 from the keyboard. मतलब node तो create होना ही है. So you can see the step here. सिर्फ node create करना काफी नहीं है, node को memory भी allocate होना चाहिए. मेमोरी कैसे एलोकेट होगा? malloc करेगा मेमोरी एलोकेशन. कितना मेमोरी एलोकेट करेगा malloc? हाउ मच यू हैव डिक्लेयर्ड हियर. मतलब आपके नोड में जितने फील्ड है, आपने यहाँ पे डिक्लेयर किया है कि आपके नोड में it has a data field and it has a next field, right? You have already declared that your node is having one data field which is an integer field and one data field which is a pointer field. How much ever memory is required for this node, that much amount of memory will get allocated by malloc. Malloc will do that allocation. How much memory? Memory equivalent to the size of struct node. जितना भी struct node में field है, उतनी memory आपके node को allocate होगा. So right now what you have done, by using this step, you have created a new node and you have allocated memory for that. उतना ही किया है आपने। उसके बाद भी हमें बहुत काम बाकी है। क्या क्या काम बाकी है? यहाँ पे 1 डालना है, यहाँ पे नल डालना है और स्टार्ट को इधर लाना है। लेट्स सी हाउ दैट इज हैपनिंग। नेक्स्ट स्टेप देखो आप लोग, न्यू नोड ऑफ डेटा इज इक्वल टू num. That means in new nodes data part num should go. What is our num? I have entered 1 from the keyboard. That means 1 will go in new nodes data part. उतना हुआ, खत्म नहीं हुआ है। We have more job to be done. No more work to be done. क्या करना है? यहाँ पे नल आना चाहिए और यहाँ पे स्टार्ट आना बाकी है, राइट? देखते हैं कैसे करते हैं। If, look here, we have an if block and else block here. If start is equal to null, start कहाँ पे है अभी आप लोग बताओ मुझे, where is start? start कहाँ पे है? start कहाँ पे है?
मैम
Am
है
I
ही
the
नहीं।
only person here?
नो
हाँ,
मैम,
start
स्टार्ट मैम
नहीं है,
नल
नहीं
पे
है,
है
मतलब
ना।
start null पे है। हाँ, start null पे है, मतलब
हाँ,
ये if
नल
block
पे है मैम,
execute
सर
होगा, करेक्ट?
होगा।
null पे है मतलब ये ब्लॉक एग्जीक्यूट होगा कि नहीं?
होगा
कि
मैम।
नहीं?
होगा
ये
मैम।
स्टेप एग्जीक्यूट होगा। मतलब क्या कर रहे हो आप? ये स्टेप यहाँ पे न्यू नोड ऑफ नेक्स्ट इज इक्वल टू नल, न्यू नोड का नेक्स्ट को नल बनाओ और स्टार्ट को न्यू नोड पे लाओ, मतलब स्टार्ट को इधर लाओ। हो गया आपका लिंक लिस्ट, आई मीन हो गया आपका न्यू नोड अ पार्ट ऑफ द लिंक लिस्ट। Now your new node is a part of the linked list. That means your linked list is officially created now, and the first node has been added in your linked list. Is it clear, everyone, till here?
Yes मैम।
Yes. अभी ये फर्स्ट नोड है, मतलब ये इफ पार्ट हुआ, मतलब इफ पार्ट हुआ मतलब एल्स पार्ट तो होगा नहीं एग्जीक्यूट, either if or else, right? So this else part will not get executed. You will come here. यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो? Enter the data. That means you are reading the data again. So this time I am entering 2. Okay, I want another node to be created with data value 2, and I want to add that node in the linked list. Okay. So I have read 2 from the keyboard and 2 is not equal to -1. अभी तक मैंने -1 प्रेस नहीं किया है, मतलब और एक नोड क्रिएट होना चाहिए। तो वापस आपका while लूप एग्जीक्यूट होगा, वापस एक नया नोड क्रिएट होगा। अभी इसका नाम न्यू नोड है, ओके? इसको मेमोरी एलोकेट होगा, ये दिस स्टेटमेंट विल एलोकेट मेमोरी फॉर दैट। What will this statement do? This statement will put 2 here, right? So these two statements have created your node, allocated memory for that and put 2 here. अभी क्या करना बाकी है हमें? Now we have to create this link. यहाँ पे ये वाला लिंक बना के यहाँ पे null डालना है. Then only 2 will become a part of the linked list. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. तो कैसे करेंगे? देखते हैं। ये if part से कर सकते हैं क्या? देखते हैं। If start is equal to null. Start अभी null पे है क्या?
No.
Is start pointing to null?
No मैम।
No, start is pointing to first node. It's not pointing to null. That means this if part will not get executed. Your else part will work. That means we'll come here. What are we doing here? PTR is equal to start. ठीक है, PTR को start पे लेते हैं। फिर क्या कर रहे हैं? While PTR of next not equal to null. PTR का next null है क्या?
No, ma'am.
PTR no?
Yes.
PTR कौन है? उसका नेक्स्ट क्या है?
नल है।
PTR ये है, नल है। मतलब ये स्टेप एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होगा। See, there is only one step inside this while loop. ये आपका while loop है। PTR का नेक्स्ट अभी देखो, PTR का नेक्स्ट नल है अभी currently. That means this step will not get executed. You will execute these 2 remaining steps. ये 2 स्टेप आप करोगे। क्या है वो 2 स्टेप? PTR of next is equal to new node. मतलब PTR का next जाएगा new node पे, and new node is next is equal to null. मतलब ये हो गया आपका second node a part of the linked list. So right now this is the status of your linked list. null यहाँ पे है और start यहाँ पे है, मतलब your second node has also been inserted into the linked list. Okay? Now suppose I want to insert a third node. मुझे और एक नोड चाहिए 3। num is not -1 क्योंकि मैंने एंटर किया है 3, मतलब ये फिर से ये पूरा लूप एग्जीक्यूट होगा। इस बार और एक नया नोड क्रिएट होगा, राइट? मेमोरी एलोकेट होगा, द स्टेटमेंट विल डू द मेमोरी एलोकेशन एंड द स्टेटमेंट विल पुट 3 इनसाइड द डेटा पार्ट, राइट? तो ये अपना न्यू नोड है। इफ पार्ट तो एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होगा क्योंकि स्टार्ट इज ऑलरेडी पॉइंटिंग हियर, स्टार्ट इज नॉट नल। तो वापस हम आएंगे एल्स पार्ट में। एल्स पार्ट में हम क्या कर रहे हैं, पीटीआर को लाया स्टार्ट पे। अभी आप बोलो ये व्हाइल लूप एग्जीक्यूट होगा या नहीं होगा?
होगा मैम।
होगा मैम।
होगा। व्हाई? पीटीआर का नेक्स्ट नल नहीं है, पीटीआर का नेक्स्ट किसी और को पॉइंट कर रहा है, मतलब दिस द स्टेटमेंट विल गेट एग्जीक्यूटेड। सो व्हाट विल हैपन, पीटीआर आ जाएगा यहाँ से यहाँ पे, आना भी चाहिए, देन ओनली वी कैन बिल्ड दिस कनेक्शन। अब क्या करेंगे, फिर से चेक करेंगे कंडीशन। ये व्हाइल लूप है, मतलब और एक बार कंडीशन चेक करना है। अभी पीटीआर का नेक्स्ट नल है क्या? है क्या?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
that means this while loop is going to execute only once. It will not execute one more time because right now PTR's next is null. मतलब हम आएंगे इधर आके ये दो स्टेप करेंगे। ये दो स्टेप क्या है, PTR of next is equal to new node of next is equal to null। हो गया हमारा थर्ड नोड पार्ट ऑफ द लिंक लिस्ट, राइट? अभी बताओ 4 और एक वैल्यू एंटर कर रही हूँ मैं 4, इस बार क्या होगा आप लोग बताओ। Okay, I'll redraw it here. 1, 2 and 3 are already a part of the linked list. Start is here. अभी मैंने एंटर किया 4, मतलब क्या होगा, फिर से 4 is not -1, so फिर से एक नया नोड क्रिएट होगा, उसको मेमोरी एलोकेट होगा और 4 आएगा इधर। These two steps will do that much. अब ये इफ पार्ट तो एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होगा, एल्स पार्ट पे आएंगे हम। एल्स पार्ट में हम क्या कर रहे हैं, पीटीआर को इधर लाया and then we are checking this while loop. How many times this while statement will execute? How
Two
many
times.
times this while? 2 times it will execute. See, पीटीआर का नेक्स्ट नल है क्या? नहीं है पीटीआर का नेक्स्ट नल, मतलब पीटीआर को आगे लाना पड़ेगा। तो आ गया इधर, फिर से चेक करेंगे पीटीआर का नेक्स्ट नल है क्या? नहीं है नल, मतलब फिर से व्हाइल लूप एग्जीक्यूट होगा। अभी 2 बार एग्जीक्यूट हुआ है व्हाइल लूप। फिर से चेक करेंगे पीटीआर का नेक्स्ट नल है क्या? हाँ, इस बार पीटीआर का नेक्स्ट नल है, मतलब और एक बार व्हाइल लूप एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होगा, सिर्फ 2 ही बार होगा। मतलब then you have to execute these two statements. What are these two statements? ptr of next is equal to new node, ये अपना न्यू नोड है, and new node of next is equal to null. अगली बार अगर मैंने -1 एंटर किया तो ये लूप और एक बार नहीं चलेगा। क्यों? Because I have entered -1 and num is -1. So this while loop will not execute one more time. So as long as the user is entering numbers, random numbers, nodes get created with that particular data
And
value,
what if
and the
the
moment the
value
user
should be
enters a
-1?
-1, no, there's no restriction that the value should be -1. You can put your own value, whatever value you want for the termination condition. Okay, आपको अगर 10 देना है तो 10 पे ही termination
Yes,
होगा। Did everybody understand the creation function? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? How many are there? Half of them might have left. I know many people are leaving the session in the middle and then they are joining
Yes, ma'am.
towards the end. Right now, only 59 are there. Right? Where are the others? 59 को ही attendance मिलेगा। I've downloaded the attendance. अरे किसको उल्लू बना रहे हो आप लोग? खुद को ही उल्लू बना रहे हो। If you are not attending the lecture sessions, you are at loss. What is? मुझे क्या है? हाँ? Of course, I feel bad because you're doing like this, but in the end, loss is for you people only.
मैम जैसे ही 3 बज गए लोग लेफ्ट करके चले गए, ऐसा हुआ।
Right now, we have no control. It's online, so I cannot individually call everybody and ask them to attend. It's up to you. You are paying fees. You are here to gain knowledge. No, all these are questions which are asked during practical exams, during your placements. Data structure is a core subject. Placements के time, even if you don't know these basics ना, they'll understand what standard you have. Placements, when you go for job interviews outside, for all competitive exams starting from GATE to anything which is based on computer science. Okay, you will find lot of questions. At least 10 marks को question तो GATE में आ रहा ही है from data structures. Is these are things which you should understand and learn. You cannot by heart all these big programs. It's logic. It's pure logic. If you now sit, if you are under the assumption that you will go through the lecture recording, like I told you, later on you won't find time. And even if you are going through the lecture recording, maybe you'll have to go through it twice. When you are in a live session, it is, there's more probability that you will understand the concept, and you always have that opportunity to clarify it then and there. Right? Okay. I'll repeat this once again tomorrow. Those who have not understood, go through and you are actually willing to learn, go through the lecture recording once. In spite of that, if you are not able to understand, I'll explain it once again tomorrow. Okay. So this is the second session or third session on linked list. We'll require 2 more sessions to complete this program. In one or two more sessions. So imagine 4 lectures on one single topic. And that means what is the pace at which I'm teaching? Okay, those who have marked your attendance can leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
Those who have doubts